We kicked off the 7-day Black Friday Advent calendar with 50% off the legendary 3-day photo reading workshop. Next up, we deepen the exploration of something you get a taster of during photo reading: Huna. Huna is an ancient Hawaiian empowerment modality said to date back some 35,000 years, so whether you're a seasoned spiritual seeker or just dipping your toe in the water, Huna gives you an incredible grounding and insight into the foundations of modern-day personal and spiritual development. Huna works with a number of different facets: energy, mana, the elements, fire, water, air, etc., the elementals, higher self, and symbols. During this powerful one-day online Huna workshop, you not only learn about the essential foundations of Huna, you also get to experience them. For those who are familiar with what I call social media Huna, I'm sorry. I love you. Please forgive me. Thank you. I also teach you about the full-on version of Ho'oponopono I learned when I went to Hawaii, and is what I call the full production version with the stage, a waiku, aka connections, and higher self-insight and clearing. I take you through a guided process to help you cut and heal old energetic connections from the past. Best of all, you don't need to get together the $10,000 to travel to Hawaii, as lovely as it is. This is all available online and on demand, which means you could be energetically transported as soon as today. The power of correspondences. Correspondence was one of the modules I was particularly taken with when learning about Huna. This means there will most likely be things you recognize from your daily life, which makes it even easier to utilize and implement. Huna shows you how to tap into and activate greater life for energy. In Huna, this energy is called mana, and there are equivalents or correspondences in other disciplines. Aikido, for example, speaks of ki, Tai Chi works with chi energy, and the Sanskrit refers to Shakti or prana in the East Indian system. The purpose of the original teachings was to increase life force energy, and for me, that original purpose still holds true. It is working with someone's energy system and using breathwork and elemental symbols to help them activate and transform their energy. Mana is life force energy, almost like an invisible but magnetic fluid. Higher levels of mana are thought to protect the body from disease. The more mana, the more empowered an individual. Grab this wonderful opportunity today because half-price deal is available for a limited time only. This Black Friday 50% off deal is available for 24 hours, so book your virtual on-demand Huna place now. Go to www.marylandevonish.thrivecart.com/advent-calendar. The clock is ticking, so catch it while you can. Marilyn Devonish first learned about Huna in October 2000 and completed her Huna practitioner training on the Big Island in Hawaii. The remote power of Huna is amazing, and clients as far afield as Australia, America, Dubai, Canada, and Europe have experienced the transformational power of the Huna energy simply through listening to audio recordings or taking part in video webinar classes. And yes, the energy still travels via the recordings, so you are in for a transformational treat. A webinar attendee recently showed up to a live call with a migraine. Following the remote Huna energy processes, the migraine was gone. We are not making any healing claims. This is simply an example of what people have experienced online. You will also learn practical, energetic, and spiritual processes you can easily benefit from and put into action in your daily life. The Ha breathing, for example, is a powerhouse, and Hakalau is a great brain balancer and brilliant for stress release. Book your online virtual one-day Huna workshop, facilitated by Marilyn Devonish now. Check the description for the current link. Aloha.